Jazz, and I'm back with another video. And today, sweetheart, today, queen, we are going to be doing 3 easy and stylish ways to style your favorite blue jean jacket. Yeah, I said it, blue jean jacket. So if you like me, you already own a blue jean jacket. You already own one. And so, you know, it's very versatile when you're dealing with a blue jean jacket because it literally goes with everything in your wardrobe. So I'm just going to give you a little take on my ideas and perspective on how to style the blue jean jacket. So just in case, you know, you run out of ideas, you can watch this video, honey. And don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and turn your post notification bell on. And sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Are you wondering why I'm on your screen right now in a robe with a bonnet and a green face? Well, let me tell you why. Because I'm just trying to make sure that you subscribe, you like, you share, you comment, and you also turn your post notification bell on. Don't worry. I will wait. I see you. I see you. Don't forget. Another video, and today I will be showing you 3 easy yet stylish ways to style your favorite blue jean jacket. Yeah, I said it, your favorite blue jean jacket. So if you're anything like me, then shit, you already own a blue jean jacket. I cussed. Y'all, I cussed. And I was a cuss.